Okay, so we have our nice flesh hide here. We're going to take that over here. And we're going to put it in here. This is a mixture of wood ashes and lime. Mixed 2 parts wood ashes, 1 part lime, and about 3 gallons of water. I'll put the hide in here. And the big part about this is to get it underneath the water. So I have a couple rocks here. We're going to set on top of it. Make sure you push it under. And you need a lot of them, or a couple big ones, so you get some air in it. So if you don't have enough, then you're going to get it exposed to air, and then it'll rot. So we'll leave it in here. See, we have it totally submerged now. We'll leave it in here for a day. Take the rocks off, mix it around, put it back until the hair starts pulling off the hide, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, so here we are. It's day 3. I've mixed it a couple times. I mix it again and check the hair and see what we got. Move the rocks first. It's still underwater. I'm going to possibly add a little more water. Okay, so here's the hide. Pick it up. Take a look at it. There's a piece of hair and pull. See? Nothing yet. A little bit, but not. It'll get to where you can really just pull it right off real easy. So we're going to give it a few more days. We'll keep mixing it every couple days and come back and keep testing it. Okay, now we have the skin where it's been soaking for 5 days and it's starting to pull out. You can see it's starting to pull out. And we're going to use this fleshy knife. I'm just going to keep pushing it back like that. See how it peels up? I'm just doing one-handed now. And we're going to do the whole hide like that. You don't want to get the blade this way too much because it'll cut into the hide. You kind of keep it pushed back and it'll kind of just push the hair out of there. So that's what we'll be doing next. Okay, so here we go. We have the hair off the hide, and now it's going to get rinsed and then put into a salt brine solution, half a pound of salt per gallon of water for 6 to 8 hours, and then we'll rinse that out. So it'll be a rinse, the salt brine, 6 to 8 hours, and then rinse it out. One of the things I want to show you real quick is that when you get down to the edge, you'll have some hair left like this, and it's a lot easier just to pull it out with your hands than it is to try to get it with the flesh and knife and keep dragging the flesh and knife over the edge, because you risk digging into the hide and leaving marks and blemishes. So you could just do that little edge with your hands and it comes out fine. And then here we go. This is the rinsed hide, all done. Now it'll go in the that brine we talked about earlier.